What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Marmar.
And it's your girl Mo.
And we are back at it again with another video. So today, as you can tell by the title of the video, we are at the range. And yeah, we gonna see what we got. We ain't gonna spoil the surprise. We gonna let y'all see what we brought with us. But yeah, without further ado, let's get inside and let's see what we got. So we are in here. Let's see what we got today with us. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Yes, sir. Pressure. Okay. Let's get into it. So today we're starting off with the 40. And you know what I'm saying? We got the Federal. Yes, sir. Pressure. Let's get into it. So I got one more bullet then.
How do you feel with the new stuff on it?
I mean, honestly, gripping it it's just takes a little more to, you know what I'm saying, grab it just a little bit, not too much, but overall, that's my baby, you know what I'm saying? I can't say nothing bad about her. That's my baby. But you know what I'm saying? Whoa, I don't know what happened down here, but we ain't gonna talk about that. We're gonna leave it all up here, you know what I'm saying? Because this is where I was aiming. I don't know what happened to Buddy down here, but yeah. I still knocked him off, had one out, still in there.
The grouping's so good because these used to
Oh yeah, the
all
groupings
in a
are
line.
definitely getting better for sure. You know what I'm saying? That's why, you know what I'm saying, going to the range and, you know what I'm saying, target practice, it definitely helped over time. For sure. But yeah. Bring her in. Let's see what he did. What's the damage? What is the damage?
We're not going to talk about that one.
What happened?
So we're not going to talk about that one.
Okay, I see you. You know what? Next time we're going to make it a challenge. For sure, next time. Definitely make it a challenge. We're going to get the same target, you know, and then work on like the groupings and all type of stuff like that.
I still really do not like the grip on that.
You know, like, yeah, she's not really too fond of the grip on this, which, you know, it does dig in your skin, as we said in our previous videos, but we gonna do some stuff to it. We ain't done, so definitely stay tuned on that. But yeah,
Yeah.
she
Overall, not too bad. For what, second or third time taking it?
oh, the
Take this?
40, yep,
Yeah.
definitely not bad.
I felt a little more comfortable shooting it too. Like
You
I
getting more
didn't-
comfortable, you said?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's how it be over time when, you know what I'm saying, you practice, you put in that work. For sure, for sure.
Like the grip just ain't it.
Yeah, that grip kind of trash for sure. Now it's time for Big Boy Toy. Come check out what we got. Check her out, you know. Check her out. Yes, sir. Pressure. Ooh, she's a beauty. That's impressive. That's my baby. Woo! That's them 223s. Yes, sir. Look at them groupings on that. You know what I'm saying? Only getting better. It's only up from here. Groupings getting better. That's what I like to hear. Yes, sir. Pressure. Hey, this is my baby though, for sure, for sure. Like, yes, this is my baby. Like, the kick on it to me is not, you know what I'm saying? It's not that bad at all. Like, it's not. But it do definitely got some kick. It's there. It punches shoulder for sure. You gonna feel it tomorrow. You let a lot of rounds through it. But overall, that's my baby. That is my baby. It look like little 22 holes compared to this. This is like, yeah. But yeah, there's some pressure for sure. It's her turn to work that bad boy. Let's see the damage on this one. You can tell the difference from them holes. Some big things. That's been 40 right there. Let's see what you got. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hold on. Shorten it if you need to. see the damage. Dang. Your groupings ain't bad at all. I'll tell you that. That's for sure. Your groupings are not bad at all.
They've definitely improved, I feel like.
Huh?
Said they've definitely improved, I feel like.
Oh yeah, definitely. We definitely getting better. For sure, for sure. But what you think about it?
I don't know. I feel like from the last time that I shot it, like since it's been so long, I feel like I did better than before. Like,
Oh yeah.
it didn't, like back in the summer when we first got it and I was first shooting it, like 2, 3 and I was done. So it was more like the last ending 2, 3 that right here started really to give out. It started to get heavy after a while too. That's why I'm kind of nervous for the other one. 'Cause this one has at least that grip. The other one, no.
Yeah.
But I don't know. This one might be growing on to me a little more than well, the 22 still my baby.
Yeah, that's
But this
good.
one's
That's what I
growing
like
on
to
me.
hear. That's what I like to hear. I don't like it, I love it.
Oh,
Yeah. So now it's the Cape time, Big 762. Yeah, we also gonna do a video. I know, you know what I'm saying, we skipped it, but yeah, we added a new railing and then put on the optic from the M&P 1522 just to, you know, take it to the range because we was ready to shoot it. We got tired of sitting around waiting. But
and
yeah,
take
without
the new railing first spin.
without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, come here. So look down here, right? So it was sighted in, right? But now you notice how it's to the right. That thing hit hard, Big 762. But I'ma just use the front optic without this, because I obviously didn't screw it in all the way like I thought I did. But yeah, let's get back into it.
What do you think? How do you feel?
What I think? I fell in love! Nah, but I was hitting over here. You can't even really tell too much.
I was about to say.
You can't even really tell.
Where was you?
I think I shot what, 6, 7 shots, I believe.
Yeah.
But yeah, overall, don't overthink it. You know what I'm saying? Because it feel like you shooting that one. I kid you not. It's not as much kick like I thought it was gonna be. I was expecting it to have a lot of kick, but it actually don't. It's not bad at all.
Sound a lot similar to the other ones.
Yeah, and feeling and everything. The only thing is just no actual grip on here. You just gotta hold the hand guard. But overall, yeah, that thing's some pressure for sure.
Since we didn't like, the stock on it so much, how did you feel like shooting it?
It's not comfortable. Like I don't know. It's like this little curve right here and stuff. Like I don't know. It's just it's not
It's
comfortable.
Like, this is too straight too. Like who has a curve in their shoulder that is like this?
Yeah, that thing ain't too comfortable. But stay tuned for sure, because we got some updates, some more updates for this, and you know what I'm saying, for the other ones. But yeah, like I said, stay tuned. this thing is definitely some pressure. Oh, but yeah, let me let you know now, when you do go to shoot it, it is one up top, so be aware of that. But I did put it on safety, so you just flip the safety down, put the mag in, whoop, 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 and you're good.
Not much kick on it at all, like you said.
Huh?
I said not much kick on it at all, like you said, but that mug is heavy.
It's heavy?
It's heavy. My like my arm was shaking.
Yeah, it definitely got some weight to it for sure.
I believe it's this 5 right here. I was trying to keep it more like in here, but it takes some getting used to. Not too bad. But I definitely like it. Not at all what I was expecting. I was definitely expecting it to be way more powerful
Right.
of a kick.
Same
but
here.
That, so uncomfortable.
Yeah,
Like,
that ain't it. We're not fans of that at all.
like not like just because it doesn't have like the rubber, but like it's not conducive to how your shoulder is built and how you want to, you know, stand and make the stance.
Right.
But overall, I definitely like it.
You definitely like it?
Yeah, I
yes,
definitely
sir.
like
That's what I
it.
like to hear.
Especially since, you know, it's so much similar to the 5.56 is not, what's the word that I'm looking for?
Yeah, actually, we was shooting 223s, not the 5.56.
Oh, true.
But yeah, it's still, you know what I'm saying, not bad though.
It's not as intimidating like when we first got it, and I was saying how nervous I was to shoot it. Now I definitely feel more comfortable, but be careful when you shoot.
For sure. That's what I like to hear. I don't like it, I love it. Straight pressure. Yes, sir. All right, so switch the ammo. Got 7 rounds. Just finna do a quick mag for the guys. You know what I'm saying?
Sound like pennies hitting the floor.
Now that thing is pressure though. I love that. And you can definitely tell the difference from the ammo too, which I noticed. You can definitely tell the difference from the ammo when firing it. Because of the simple fact that you seen the sparks more on this one rather than the other one.
Oh yeah, I'm done.
But yeah, that thing is some pressure for sure. For sure. Yeah, I was just shooting. Oh, wow. Whoa there. That's when I was just mag dumping it. That's when I was mag dumping. Hey, leave me alone. And they gonna be in the comments chopping me up like, yo, what was that? What is you doing?
We'll leave that up to mag dumping and not actually.
I wasn't really aiming, I was just mag dumping. Like I said before, I let the rounds go, you know what I'm saying?
Hey, we got 1, 2.
Yeah.
That is it for this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to also hit that notification bell. on. So that way